Hi friends, welcome to the Feathered Cottage Adventures. I'm Dee, and I'm coming on here tonight to tell you that I'm not going to be able to do Wednesday in the Word. We have to be out of this house Monday, and I am just like a fool trying to get everything out of here. I have 3 storage buildings still. There's one to go through, plus finishing up packing what's in the house. Packing this time is totally different than packing in a regular move because you're getting rid of everything. There's only what you can take into the camper, and so it's been a very difficult thing. If any of you ever decide to come and join us in the RV living life, then give yourself at least 6 months to a year to get rid of the stuff in your home. Doing it in a crunch is very, very hard. Next week we will meet on Wednesday. I'm not sure if I'll be at my camper or if I'll be at my daughter's house, but we will be doing Jeremiah 29:11. I ask for you all to keep me in your prayers, that God will give me strength to get through all this. And I ask for prayers for my daughter. She is having an appointment with the surgeon on Wednesday. And pray that everything's going to go good there. And if you all have any prayer requests, please either leave them in the comment box below or email me at thefeatheredcottage@gmail.com. And until we meet again, friends, I love you all. I appreciate you hanging with me. I know I've been MIA for the last little bit, but I promise we'll get back to normal life next week. Well, you all have a great and blessed week, and I love you very much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.